So one of the most common mistakes that we hear, especially when we're evaluating properties, is sellers, owners thinking that their property is worth, example, $10,000 more because they invested $10,000 into a certain renovation. So it's important to understand return on investment. Not everything that you will renovate or put money into in your property will yield a 100% return. So that's super important. Now what it can do though is it could make a difference if there's two similar houses, yours and someone else's, and you've invested in a new roof and the other comparable house has an older roof. Well, this would be a reason why a buyer would choose yours over the neighbor's. However, they're not going to be necessarily willing to pay that $10,000 more for your property simply because you have a new roof. So return on investment, very important. If you're thinking of renovating and you're not really sure what's worth renovating, contact our team. It'll be a pleasure to help you out and also put you in contact with people that will be able to help you with those renovations.